What's going on, everybody? Can y'all hear that? That noise? That I don't know what the hell it is. It starts every day at about 9:40. There's no construction or anything going on in the area. I can't figure out what the hell it is. I've asked people. Nobody's telling me what the noise is. Like I said, it starts up at around 9:40 every morning, and it goes until sunset. I don't want to be one of these conspiracy guys, but it seems like, they're trying to. I don't know. I'm just saying it's a weird sound. And it's got me stumped. I've reached out to everybody in my city government, and none of them know what I'm talking about. You guys hear that, right? I know it's in the video. It's Nick B. Y'all be good.